Again, if I hear one of you motherfuckers say, we can tell you the food. That's enough out of you. Guys, make sure you're keeping the comments PG. I get banned fairly regularly on TikTok. Hey, Derek. Long time no see, babe. So I need you to keep your comments PG, please. And I'm not sure potatoes are a part of Pakistani food, but they had French fries. So I'm including it. I'm counting it. But I also have some leftover roti. I don't know if that's how you say it. Roti. R-O-T-I. Yeah. Have you ever had roti? Oh my god, it's so good. I'm going to mix this up. I'm going to cook it. And then my son can have the leftovers tomorrow when he comes home for lunch. I'm also hoping like the beef is a little spiced up, which is fine. I don't mind spicy, but I'm hoping the potatoes cut into that a little bit. Also, I'm using bacon grease for the potatoes. I don't want to hear shit from you guys. I don't want to hear it. So basically, I am going to brown the potatoes, and then I'm going to heat up the beef. And then I am going to take the fresh onion, and I'm going to cut up some fresh tomato, and I'm going to put it on top, and then I'm going to warm up my roti, and I'm going to eat it. I'm excited. I had this whole plan yesterday, and I absolutely forgot that I had this plan. Hey, Kurt. Thank you. It is a little bit colder outside today. I might have to change mid-live because I'm an old lady and I tend to sweat. But for right now, she's comfy. Thank you, Tim. I'm starving. I'm so hungry right now. Thank you. It's pajamas. I am not gonna lie to you though, I am hungry. Like I need to distract myself. They're cows. I was at the laundromat today, and there was this beautiful man. He was so good looking, tall, dark skin, beautiful. He's beautiful. And I'm like, he posted up next to my laundry to fold his laundry, and I'm like, hell yeah. And as I'm pulling my laundry out, my laundry consists of old lady muumuus and cow slippers. I was like, let me just take myself home. Like, even if he thought I was attractive, I absolutely ruined it with the cow slippers. Whoever keeps saying lap dance, I'm going to go ahead and mute your account. I'm not going to block you, but I get banned from your comments. And I already asked you nicely to keep PG. Good night, Billy. Thank you for sharing the live. I appreciate it. I should be doing the dishes while I'm doing this when I'm distractible because I'm starving to death. Thank you for the follows, guys. Don't forget, if you're following me here, to check all those links in my bio here. That's where you find the good stuff that TikTok doesn't allow me to do here. Kamal, I'm gonna mute it if you bring it up again. It is not a PG term, and I need to keep the comments PG because I get banned relatively easy. My last live account got permanently banned at 38,000 followers.